What's up, guys? So if you look at this place, I've earned over $386 on this account, and I have different accounts with Mylead, and this particular account is for a particular traffic source and a particular content locker that I used here. So if you listen to the end of this video, make sure you subscribe and then like this video, because I'm going to give you a lot of value, and I'll continue to give you value bumper to bumper right here. So make sure you subscribe, like, share this video, and let's go. So this is Mylead, and I'm using Mylead for this particular tutorial. And this thing I'm going to tell you right now, you can actually use both Mylead, cpagrip, or cpaLead, or any simple cpa network of your choice right here. So if you come over to your Mylead right here, the first thing you're going to be doing is to choose your offer, or you can add traffic source right here. I'm going to be making a video on how you can be able to register with Mylead. It's very simple. Just come over to mylead.com right here, just like me. Not mylead.com, mylead.global. If you don't get the link, I'm going to be commenting and replying you with the link in the comment section. So if you don't get the link, just comment what is the link, and I'm going to be able to show you. This is mylead.global, and you're going to be able to make a lot of conversion for yourself right here. So first, I'll be using content locker to make tutorial on this particular video. So I click here that says content locker right here. If you're using a mobile phone, you're gonna be seeing three dots just like this one right here, and then you're gonna be clicking there to see all these content locker, like CPA lockers, like Captcha lockers, and then you can see file locker right here. For this purpose of this video, I'll be choosing this Captcha locker. So if I click here that says Captcha locker here, then I'll be able to come over to where I'll be able to set up my Captcha locker. This Captcha locker is just like the other Captcha locker you use both on cpagrip and other content locking network of CPA. Okay, so it's nothing different there, but the most different thing is that Mylead Captcha locker converts most. So if you click here that says Captcha locker, you'll be able to see the Captcha page here. So let's go. So guys, this is Captcha locker right here, and all I have to do here is to click here that says add a locker. Because I have other lockers right here, I can easily take up my link here, and then I'll be able to promote them. But I want to teach you how you can be able to set your Mylead Captcha locker very well, so it can be able to make you a lot of money just like me. So all I have to do is to click here that says add a locker, and once I click here that says add a locker, the next thing is to give my locker a name depending on what I'm promoting, right guys? So in this video, I'll be promoting any product of my choice. Maybe you can choose movie niche or anything. So let me just say movie here, so that I can use movie for this. Okay, so all I have to do is to select templates here. I can select from template 1 or template 2 from here, and the next thing is to select the number of access type, and I can select whether it's meant for 18 or not, and then go over to your advanced. You can adjust from this place, you can adjust from CPA, pin submit, and prioritize CPI, so you can be able to get most of your conversion. And here you'll be able to set up the number of conversion you want right here. If you want 2, you can add 2. Okay, so I have to click here that says device type. So this place you're able to set up the type of text you want it to show right here, and the same thing goes right here. If you want to leave it on default, then it's still okay for you. Okay, so after everything, all you have to do is to click here that says save. So after clicking on save right here, depending on what you're promoting, you'll be able to get this link. But this is why I love using Mylead CPA Captcha locker right here. You'll be able to set up the type of offer you want. This is the locker here, and all I have to do is to click here that says choose offer, and then I'll be able to choose the type of offer that I want. Then all I have to do is to set up the type of offer right here, and depending on the category, because I am trying to promote movie, all I have to do is to choose maybe movie niches and pin submit niches. This is the offer niches right here. All I have to do is to scroll down here, and I have movie here, so I select movie, and let me select the type of offer that I want. Okay, all right, so the movie is loading right here, and after it has finished loading, these are a lot of offers depending on all the countries here. This is on Czech, Qatar. It can pay us $2 right here. This one can pay up to 47 cents here, and this Pakistan offer can pay 13 cents here. So depending on many other countries right here, like South Africa can pay up to $1. All you have to do is to start selecting the type of offer you want by marking all of this here. So by marking them, this one is Malaysia, mark them depending on the country you're targeting, mark them, and then after marking all of them, the ones you want here, this is Germany, $5 right here, and you can mark all of them. Go over to page 2, and you can select from other category from this place. Okay, it's very simple, and these are other countries that you can also choose their offers right here. If you're looking for survey offers to be shown on this, all you have to do is to select related offer. Okay, so you can uncheck this movie, and then you have to scroll and then look for survey offer right here. Just go ahead and select the survey. Just look, this is survey here, and if you click here that says survey, you'll be able to see a lot of offers that are related to surveys right here. So as it's loading, after adding all of them, all you have to do is to scroll back. These are survey offers here. A lot of them, there are plenty that convert very well, and so most of them are from top 1 countries right here. Okay, so all I have to do is to go back. Let me just go back to my Captcha locker, and there are 2 ways you can be able to promote this Captcha locker, and in a little bit of time I'll show you the free traffic source that will earn you a lot of money. Okay, so I have to come down here, and then I have to select this place, and let me just click here. If I click here right now, and I will be able to get my script or my link. So you can be able to use the script here. This is the script you will use for your own. So we're not going to be using any paid traffic here. We're going to go over to our Google site. Okay, so go over to Google site. You can search for Google site on Google, and then you'll be able to locate Google site website. This is Google site here. Just scroll down and sign in with your Google account, sites.google.com. so you'll be able to access the Google service. So by this, we'll be adding our script. This is the script, sorry. This is the script right here, and we'll be embedding it on our Google site here. So this is my Google site, and once you are here, all you have to do is to select this plus sign, so you can be able to add new one for yourself. As you can see, I have many of them right here, and if you click on this plus sign, you'll be able to add a new one. By this, you'll be able to embed this. Guys, this particular thing will make it more simple, and then we'll be able to use it for free. I have to delete everything right here because I don't actually need them. And even if you write it, even if you leave it right here, this should be your heading right here. And the next thing you have to do is to come over to this right now and say watch trending movies for free, trending Hollywood movies for free. And mind you, this thing is a black hat method, because actually you might not even be able to give them all this movie. But even if you want to give them this movie, I'll be showing you how to get it for free. So come down here. I will have to add another page for yourself, and then you can add more page here. Like let's say you added this. Okay, these are where you'll be able to get a lot of movie images. So go over to hdtoday.com, HD Today. So if you go over to HD Today, from there you'll be able to see a lot of movies that you'll be able to go ahead and give to them, or a lot of movies that you get their images to embed on your locker here. So after this, let me show you how to get able to add locker as well. So let me go over to page, and let's look for go over to this embed here, and then you'll be able to embed a code. Click on this code, and then embed your own code right here. This is the code and the script. Click here that says insert, and you'll be able to insert your code right here. The code is loading, and after loading, let's copy it again. Okay, so this is it here, and let's copy it again. Come over here, click on paste, click next, and as you can see, it's loading right now. And after it has finished loading, everything will be set. And once you click on verify, we're able to verify ourselves, and we make money. Try this thing and bring it to the center. Okay, so after it has come to the center, everything is set. This is where you'll be able to get your images here, images of your movies. Go over to movies on HD Today, and then you'll be able to build this thing. Guys, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to design this particular landing page right here professionally. And the next thing I'm going to be showing you in that video is to show you a free traffic source that's going to make you up to $100. Even if it's in a week, trust me, you're gonna be able to make some money for yourself and then pay your bills. So if you love this type of video, make sure you subscribe. My name is Triple Arms, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.